Why you still feel lost in life. Even in your 20s, but you feel completely lost. No clear direction. No real purpose. Everyone else seems to be moving forward and you feel stuck. Why does this happen? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been feeling confused, unmotivated, or behind in life, you're not alone. A lot of people in their 20s feel this way. But the problem is, most people don't understand why. And until you understand it, you can't fix it. So let's break it down. Section 1. Too many options. In your 20s, you have unlimited choices. Career, business, education, lifestyle, and instead of feeling free, you feel overwhelmed. Because more options and more confusion. You keep thinking, what if I choose the wrong path? So you don't choose anything at all. Section 2. Comparison. You go on social media and suddenly everyone is successful. Better job, better life, better results. And you start comparing yourself. You feel like you're behind. But here's the truth. You're comparing your real life to someone else's highlight reel. If you want to build clarity, discipline, and confidence, make sure to subscribe to the channel because we post videos like this every week. Section 3. No clear identity. You don't really know who you are yet. What you like, what you're good at, what you actually want. So you keep switching goals. One day you're motivated, next day you're confused again. Without identity, there is no direction. Section 4. Fear of failure. You're scared to make the wrong move. What if you fail? What if people judge you? So instead of trying, you overthink everything. And that keeps you stuck. Section 5. No consistency. You start things, but you don't stick to them. A few days of motivation, then you quit. And without consistency, you never see results. So you feel like nothing is working. Section 6. How to fix it. Here's what you need to do. Pick one direction. Just one. Stop comparing yourself to others. Take small action every day. Accept that you will make mistakes. And most importantly, give yourself time. You don't need to figure out your whole life right now. Feeling lost doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're still figuring things out. And that's okay. Just don't stay stuck. Start small. Stay consistent. And your path will become clear. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.